Hey guys, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today we are talking about the best Summer's Eve sensitive wash available in the market, the Summer's Eve fragrance-free gentle daily all-over feminine body wash. This product is a must-have for anyone looking for a gentle and effective feminine wash that is perfect for sensitive skin. The Summer's Eve fragrance-free gentle daily all-over feminine body wash is formulated with micellar water to create a gentle cleansing experience for your intimate area. It removes odor-causing bacteria, leaving you feeling fresh and clean all day long. It's pH-balanced and clinically tested for sensitive skin, making it a safe and effective choice for daily use. The Summer's Eve fragrance-free gentle daily all-over feminine body wash is a top choice for those looking for a gentle and effective feminine wash that is safe for sensitive skin. With its micellar water formula, pH balance, and clinically tested ingredients, this product provides a unique everyday Summer's Eve readiness that you can trust. And that's a wrap on our review of the Summer's Eve fragrance-free gentle daily all-over feminine body wash. If you're in need of a gentle and effective feminine wash for sensitive skin, look no further than this product. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to grab your own 3-pack of this amazing product. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.